Want to add a shadow to your text in Canva? Let me show you how. Once you have your text on your design, all you have to do is click on it and click on effects. Now you'll see a bunch of styles appear and you will find shadow in the list. So you can click on the shadow and you will see that it gives the shadow to your text. And so this is a default shadow effect that is shown to the text. And you can always change that as well. So you can see. So if I want to change the shadow color to maybe not the, let's say, like that, but if I want to make it white, I could do something like that. If I want to make it blue, if I want to make it whatever it is, guys, you can change those different shadow to your text. And it all depends. It will look much better when you change the color of the text as well, right? So for example, if I want to make my text itself to be something like blue or whatever it is, the solid color of the text, you can go ahead and you can change that, the solid color of the text itself. And once you change the solid color of the text, then you can always play around with effects again and change that background, to be whatever it is, right? So you could change it to be white. And in this case, this looks really cool. And so you can see right here that you have different options, right? You have the blur, you have the transparency, based on what you choose, you will be able to see it. So here's the offset, depending to how you want to move it, the shadow away from it, right? Here's the direction. You can change the direction of how the shadow looks, and the blur. You can choose if you want it to be like that, right? So you wanted to make it blur like that. And the transparency is how strong you want. So the transparency, basically, let me just switch the offset a bit in the direction, make it like that, like this, something like this. And now the transparency, you can make it less or you can make it strong like that. So this is how you can basically change this to make it look the way you want, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. So that's how you can basically make the shadow for your text in Canva. Very easy and very simple.